So, guys, today I'm going to discuss one stock which is a portfolio stock. And why I have picked this stock is very simple because see, there are few stocks where you do not have to read the fundamentals. You know that you know these companies by their name and by their products, and which are actually leaders among in their own sector. So there is no need to, when I talk about all these companies, then there is no need to read about the fundamentals. Just you have to focus on the technical charts, understand the technical charts, and then you can trade and invest these stocks very easily. So today I have picked 3M India, and the reason why I have picked this 3M India is very simple, because in last 2 months we see that the stock has given almost 60 to 65% return. And plus, day before yesterday I was checking Twitter account, and what I saw that one of the very famous Twitter handle, which is into who is into technical analysis, has shown this kind of pattern, and he said that this stock has given a breakout, so we all should buy this stock. So what I think that he is absolutely correct, but the way he explained is not correct. Of course we have got the breakout and everything, but this is not a kind of a pattern which he is seeing. This is not the way which you should look. Actually there are so many other ways where we can understand this chart. So let's start our analysis and let's see कि इस analysis में हमें क्या दिखता है और हम इसको कैसे actually सही से judge कर पाते हैं. So to when we talk about investment picks, then we always have to focus on the monthly chart, not any other time frame of chart. So if we are picking up this stock 3M India, then let's move and check this monthly time frame chart of 3M India to get the better idea, where you do not have to do so much of work. You just have to focus on the levels, and after the understanding of this monthly chart, you will get the fair idea where to enter and where to exit if you are entering this stock. So first thing, let's check this monthly chart structure and the nature of this chart. So when we check this stock, we can easily tell that for few here we can easily see that stock always moves up in for few months to years, and then we have one good correction, then again move up, consolidation, little correction, move up, consolidation, move up, consolidation, and little correction, and then again move up. So this is the stock nature. So what we have checked in last 2.5 years, that it was in a consolidation phase. कंसोलिडेशन फेज, और इस कंसोलिडेशन फेज को हम नाम दे सकते हैं, वी कैन ईजली नेम दिस स्टॉक दैट इट वाज अ range bound to bearish, right? We can easily say that it was a range bound to bearish. Kindly excuse me, the bearish spelling is BARISH. So it is a range bound stock to bearish, we can easily see from last 2.5 years, but from last 2 months it has given a perfect breakout thing, right? We can see that it has come out of the range. Now the point is how to understand this chart properly. So after understanding the nature of this chart, now it is time to understand. So if we see that stock always respect from the time it is in the stock market, stock is listed in the stock market, we can clearly see that every time stock market is respecting this resistance area, right? So we can clearly see this resistance area is very important. And if we talk about the support zone, then we can clearly see that every time stock falls, and it falls around this support line only. So we have clear cut resistances and supports. So what stock is doing, every time it is touching its resistance area here, it always falls and consolidate for this support line. It again reaches there, it consolidated but didn't touch the line, again upside, and then it touched the this support line again. So the point is, this time also we are expecting stock to perform like this, and it has bounced back from its support zone also only. But if you are holding this stock and if you are entering fresh into this stock, then also it is super fine. The reason why I'm telling this, the reason why I'm saying this, because this time also stock is going to touch this zone, right? This resistance zone. And what is this resistance zone is? Somewhere around, if we talk about this resistance zone, this one, then this zone is going to be somewhere around 45,000 to 46,000 here, 45,000 to 46,000. Let's see this chart again. Let me clear this out once again, this one, and now इसको हम लोग बहुत clear way में समझते हैं. This was the resistance, clear cut resistance. This was the clear cut support, and now we have got the bounce back around this zone, and this bounce back could continue till the level of 46,000 to 47,000 in weeks and days to come. This is simple analysis. When we look above, when we look monthly charts, when we understand monthly charts at the nature, but how much time it should take to reach this target, it is the point. So in the past, what we have checked, if we see this, then whenever it has bounced back from its support zones, it took 22 bars, that means 22 months. Here it took 25 bars. Here it should take 25 bars, so that means 20 to 25 bars. That means at least September 2022 we can expect this stock to reach till 45,000, 46,000, right? So it is the nature of the chart which we have to accept it. So till September 2022 we can expect this stock to reach till 45,000, and that 45,000 from the current level will give you some return of somewhere around 50%. I think 50% next 1.5 year is pretty good. So guys, this is the small analysis which I wanted to show you on this 3M chart. But the point is, you should not actually believe, you should not believe, and you should not play these kind of things where you do not understand whether this is a pattern और this is like anything else, because this is not the pattern. क्योंकि अगर मैं इसको आपको clear cut prove कर सकता हूँ, if we were here at this zone, so probably that guy must have told you that this is a breakout. Right now here it is a breakout, and he would have given a sell call. But after that, stock consolidated and bounced back. So the point is, these kind of patterns are not going to help you. You have to understand the whole nature of the chart, and then you can go ahead and invest. So this was the small analysis on 3M India. This is a investment pick from our side for next 1 year to 1.5 years, and your target should be 46,000 to 47,000, guys. So thank you. See you soon again with new stock pick.